Documented evidence that has been dominating this space for a very long time. Trends come and go, but this style has remained on top. It's used by big brands and top creators because it's perfect for storytelling. So, in today's video, we are breaking down that Mr. Beast animation to learn how to actually create it from scratch. Just have a look. I am in After Effects. First create new composition and rename it to documentary animation. Animation and resolution is 1920 by 1080. Frame rate is 60 FPS and version multiple, and you can change it to 15 like that. But this is not good. Change it to 60. Yeah, and just click on OK. Double click on here and add the assets. The Google Drive link is in the description. You can check it out. Okay, select these PNGs. Delete this PNG and scale it down like that. Adjust it like that. Scale up it 67 to 80. That's good value. Okay. 3D it. Go to layer, new, and create camera. You can rename it and this to 28 meters and check this option and just click on OK. Create new null object, right click new and null object and LBN it and select this camera panel with this null and 3D this null, and you can see we move the camera. The camera moved properly. That's great. Okay. Add type text tool and type whatever you want. Not worth and 100 comma 100 comma 100. Okay, like that. Scale up it and select this and this to italic. Don't medium italic, italic. Yeah, you can choose it like italic. That's good. And scale down it like this. Okay, that's great. Put this behind of this Mr. Beast PNG. Scale up it. Just it like that. And 3D it. And the color is to green. You can, this is green color, make it a little bit darker, and you can see we have this design. Okay, that's great. Scale down it to more. Okay, select this null object, press B, create a keyframe, adjust it over here, and this position is to over here. Okay, press F9. Go to graph editor. Graph editor is to like that. This is good for me. And you can animate this text, animate position, add opacity. Position is not aware. Position is to negative 100. Go to negative 100. And this to 0. Reach like the one offset. And, and go to advanced. Vector to what? Yeah, that's good. Press F9, go to graph editor and scale the graph to see to see it more better. Yeah, like that. Adjust it over here. Press Alt to slow it. Yeah, that's very nice. Select this now. Press P and click this. Add keyframe. Go ahead and you can zoom it and zoom it like that. Zoom in like that, but don't like that. Adjust it, adjust the position. Yeah, that's good. But this is not smooth. Create it more smoother. That is better. Go ahead. Go ahead. And this position is to over here. Like that. Select this. Press U. Go here. Control C, Control V. Right click, keyframe assistant, and easy. And this to this value is to 0. Yeah, and go here, and this value is 200. Duplicate it. Put this over here. Press U, delete this keyframes. Process. Uh, Scale down it. The views is Mr. Big is to views 122 billion. Okay, and you can adjust the color. Adjust the color is to YouTube color. Yeah. Select this tool here and decrease the space. Press S, scale a bit more, but select this, scale down it. Select this and this to semi-bolt. Like the to semi-bolt. Press U and adjust it like that. Copy this, paste here, and keyframe assistant 10 keyframes. And adjust it over here. Press U and delete these keyframes. These two over here. And type subscribers and type over here for 68 million is total subscriber. Yeah, and scale down it. But one more thing. Go here, advance, and correct what to character, and go to advance. It's advance. So, okay, like this. And we have nice animation. And you can check it out at motion blur for realistic movement. And we have like this animation. Okay, this animation looking nice. And this is so smooth. Press B, create keyframe, go ahead, and this position is to over here. Like this. Okay, like this. I have the young Mr. Beast 3D. And we have like this animation. Here, create a rectangle like this. 3D. Add text to type subscriber. scale of it. Okay, and change it to light italic to regular. This look better. Like this. And dot zero, duplicate it and type 1. Okay, yeah, right here. Okay, select this and this two over here and 3D. Create a null object. 3D. Select this and this. Pen with this null object. Select this. Press P. Create keyframe. Okay, and adjust it and change the position to go like this. And we have this nice animation. Press F9, go to graph editor. Graph editor is to like this. Okay, that's good. Try 2000, 2012 and scale it up like this. 3D. Okay, go to animate property of add property opacity. This to right here and this to 0. Go to resume the one offset and offset is 2 points. Offset is run negative 1 watt. Create keyframe. Go ahead and this to 100. Go to advanced and square to ramp up. Press F9. Go to graph editor. Graph editor is to like that, and we have this. Okay, the animation is completed. Add Mr. Add brightness and contrast. Brightness is to -16 and this to 41. Copy this and paste to young Mr. Create, go to layer, new adjustment layer, put the top in top, add add edges and cc minute, and you can decrease the amount and adjust it accordingly. Hope this video is helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.